National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 11 a.m. At 10:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Newark to Braidwood, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Frankfort Square, and Manhattan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather